As you can see, it snapped off right here, and it also got a huge crack right here. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is part 2 of the R1 Rebuild. If you guys have not seen part 1, I will put the link in the description below. And also, if you guys enjoy these kinds of builds, all I ask is that you give this video a like. It really does help the YouTube algorithm and it helps the video get more views. Now, without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so I want to start by removing all of the damaged parts and fairings, and then I want to strip this thing completely down to see if there are any more hidden damages. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so I just finished removing all of the damaged parts and fairings, and then I noticed that the rear subframe is actually broken. As you can see, it snapped off right here, and it also got a huge crack right here, which sucks because that means now I have to replace it, and it is going to be a little bit expensive, but that's alright. You guys know that I don't like working on dirty bikes, so let's go ahead and move it outside, give it a good wash, and then I want to start by removing the whole entire airbox, clean underneath there, as well as removing the subframe. So let's get to work. Alright guys, so I just finished removing the airbox, and it's actually got a performance filter, which is great because now I can just go ahead and clean this out and reuse it. As well as it's pretty clean inside here. But I'm going to go ahead and clean out this whole area anyway, and then I want to remove the rear subframe, so let's get into it. Alright guys, I just finished cleaning up the area down here and it's pretty cleaned up. And I also removed the rear subframe. Now I want to remove the top yoke as well as all of the broken pieces. And then this housing here, so that I can order a new one. And then I want to remove the sprocket cover and clean up the chains. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so the chain is all cleaned up and good to go. We covered a lot in this video, as well as my hands are full of grease. So I'm gonna go ahead and end today's vlog right here. And so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button. You can also follow me on Instagram at Garreth_Collins. Remember to stay positive and be visible. Until next time, peace out.